You know, if you stand back and squint, it looks like Leroy.
I'm going straight for a rip.
What's flapping around in there?
I don't know, but that looks so sketchy.
Dude, it looks ridiculous. You hear the wing?
Yeah.
Was that what that was?
Yeah, the wing makes a little noise.
Shatter.
Might have to
Yeah.
adjust it.
All right, let me rip this thing one time.
What a rig.
Thing is sick.
Oh my god.
That thing is so fast. Dude, it is a ripper.
It moved all over the road now. Like with it being lighter and I think less aerodynamic, it wants to walk around. That's pretty wild.
Yeah, hopefully the drag strip keeps her planted.
Yep, hopefully so.
Dude, that is nuts. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This thing turned out so